What the actual fuck is Fidel's setup? I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. A lot of streamers' setups are like this. Like, you would think that our setups are like some crazy, extravagant shit. Bro, you should have seen my setup when I was living at my parents' house, bro. Oh my god, my setup when I was living at my parents' house was like one of the most jank shits ever. Like, I think I had one of my TVs literally being supported by like a piece of wood that I drilled into the TV itself. You said, let's see your setup. I'm good. I'm good, bro.
Off. But the VP was not letting creators use burnout, or basically them being unmotivated to stream, as a valid excuse to not meet their monthly stream requirements, which led to Twitch employees feeling like the company was losing its way. 12 Twitch
They were losing their way. Remember, chat, there was that one year where like Twitch actually like gave out to a bunch of their partners like a bunch of exclusive shit. And somehow they like managed to hit me up and hit me with that shit too. And I thought it was amazing. They never did that shit again. And I was like, why? That was how I got the blanket. The Twitch blanket. They gave us the pins, they gave us the socks. They gave us the Twitch Connect 4 game. I don't know if I have it here. I do have it here. Bro, they gave us like during Christmas time, they gave us like...
I'm so hyped, I just received the Elgato Wave 3.
Look at this.
My sound quality is gonna become insane.
They gave... Bro, look, this shit is picking up dust and it still has the plastic on it. Just because I didn't even like... Bro, it's like they gave us like a Twitch... like checker shit. Bro, they gave us a bunch of shit that one year. And I was like, they never did it again. And I was like, what the fuck? And I feel like maybe that's why they were like, yo, fuck the creators. We're going to cut costs and we're just going to try to make as much money as possible. You said resell that, not going to lie. I doubt it's even going to go anything.
employees had gone to HR or logged complaints with their superiors overnight. 5 had left the company citing night as a reason. Now, some of you watching could never be convinced that sitting at a computer and playing video games could become a stressful or an annoying...
No, it does. It does. It does. Because over time, you start losing your sense of self, and then you also start losing sense of time. Bro, I'm telling you, that was a big ass issue. You don't know how many times I used to stream and I'm like, today's Monday. Oh, nah, today's actually Thursday. And I'm like, it's Thursday? What? Is today the 6th? No, today's the 12th. The 12th? What month are we? Bro, what the fuck? Oh, God, dude, nah. And then you just let yourself go.
Why you got everything stored in your room? Shit's finna become ground zero of the retro hoarder house.
Yo, the retro hoarder house, I got everything, bro. Yo. I got Connect 4, right? Hold up. What else do I got? What else I got in this room, bro? Bro. I got an N64 with fucking Yoshi Story. Right? What else? In case I feel a little bit crazy, I got the Ring Fit shit, right? Right? Let's keep it going. Yo, I could just keep pulling shit out of my ass, bro. Sonic hand sanitizer. Let's keep that shit going. Nail clippers. Let's keep that shit going. Connect sand. Let's keep that shit going. All the current Chainsaw Man manga volumes. Let's keep that shit going. Astral Radiance fucking shits that I bought last year that I never opened that's just picking up dust. Let's keep that shit going.
Hoarding all this shit in your room like you hoard upgrade materials in Nikkei.
Yes! What else do I got? I'm trying to look for... Oh, Oye, ya tú sabes. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I also got these cool ass sunglasses. Mr. Steal Your Bitch shades. Hold up. Oh, nah, hold up. Oh my God. It's oh my goodness. All right, what else the fuck I got? What else I got? Okay, I can't find anything else. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't find anything else. Oh, a Van shoe. But it's not just a shoe. It's a fucking piggy bank. Oh, coins, baby. It's a Van shoe piggy bank. W savings, bruh. Yo, this shit about to... Shit, we going back to the streets with this. What the fuck? He said savings, W savings. We going back to the streets with that. Bruh, that's a straight pennies. He needs the God. Okay, he needs God and the church girl. Yo, no joke, bro. I haven't talked to her in a hot minute. But like I said, I didn't want to talk to her because I don't want to lead her on, bro.
Do a house tour at this rate.
House tour tournament.
They care about creators. Everything Twitch has done for the last 4 years
Sistro's got to take
has
a
been with
picture
the
of your
goal
setup.
of feeling
Calls
like
what in
they understand
XQC is
and
your
care.
room found.
Although this could seem like an employee who is just upset about being
Cause what in XQC is your room? Cause what in XQC is your room?
fired,
It's
Twitch
crazy
has
shit.
shown time